Objective 3 are periodic table skills representing identity of positions of groups, periods. Is it a representative element, transition metal, intertransition metal, metal, metalloid, nonmetal, all kinds of good vocabulary words being tested out here. So let's recall what some of those words mean. I've identified by this staircase, this border, if you will, the world of the metals to the left and the world of nonmetals to the right. We have shaded what we call metalloids on your periodic table: boron, silicon germanium, arsenic antimony, tellurium polonium, and astatine. Those elements that have a side completely touching the border, except aluminum, he's a rule breaker, are considered metalloids. Those that have properties of both metals and nonmetals. Nonmetals live to the right. The metals live to the left of the border. Except hydrogen, he's far to the left, but we told him, you're a nonmetal. The group A's are the tall columns on the outside of the periodic table. The group B's are shorties in the middle. Transition elements are the group B's. The group A's are known as representative. The word representative elements comes from the fact that they represent their valence electrons. The tall columns match their valence electrons by their group number. The word valence, those electrons in the outermost energy level, those are the electrons we care about as chemists. We cannot look and know because of the variable charge of the transition elements. And that's true from the first short column all the way to where you hit the border. We know aluminum to be a +3. We know zinc, cadmium, and silver's charge, but that's it. Everybody else, all the way over to the border, would require a Roman numeral. Groups are the columns, the periods go across. If you tell yourself it's a representative, it's a group A. If it's a transition, it's a group B. That easy. Pause the video here, complete this grid, turn it back on when you're ready. First row, the symbol given here is V. V stands for vanadium. The element is pronounced vanadium. Its group number, vanadium, is group number 5B. Its period number, period 4. It's in a short column, transition, and it is a metal. Indium, IN is the symbol for indium. Do you find it? Indium, in a tall column, group 3A, so the symbol IN. Group number up tall, 3A. Period number, go to the side, period 5. Again, go all the way to the side. You'll find it to be period 5 for indium. Group 3A, period 5. It is a representative metal. It's in a tall column to the left of the border. Group 4A is carbon's family. Period 4 takes us to germanium. Again, if you like to number your periods over here as well, period 4, group 4A, germanium. Comes from the country Germany, germanium. It is shaded, so I'll label that as a metalloid. And it is in a tall column, so it's a representative element. Group A's are representative, group B's are transition, that easy. Ready? Group 1B, period 5. 1B, period 5 gets me to silver. 1B, period 5 is silver. Its symbol is AG. Its name is silver. It is a B, so it's a short column, transition. To the left of the border, it is a metal. Antimony is a fun one. It has nothing to do with its name. Its symbol SB, antimony. So SB is its symbol. Antimony is in group 5A, period 5. Antimony, 5A, period 5. 5A period 5 tells us it's a representative because it's a tall column. I bet it's shaded on your periodic table. It has a side touching the border. It is a metalloid. Notice with this particular set, because I randomly select elements, I didn't pick any that were non-metals. It's not a trend, it just happened to work here. All right, so A+ on objective 3.